This may be controversial, but I'm all for robots taking over the world, and here's why. Did you know that artificial intelligence can reduce your workload by 40%? We've seen a technology breakthrough with the use of AI. It's like a magic pill that you can take that's going to increase your sales, cut down on your expenses, and save you time. I feel like this would have been a similar situation to when we figured out the use of steam engines all the way back into 1712. But the crazy part is the steam engine actually didn't become part of everyday living until the 19th century. And don't worry, it's not going to take us over 200 years in order to learn how to use artificial intelligence. Me personally, just from taking a few courses and watching a few YouTube videos, I learned how to make ChatGPT my own personal assistant. And the best part is you can do it for absolutely free. So for me in my business, I'd hired an assistant before to handle all these tasks that I hate doing. It was costing me thousands upon $1,000 each month in order to have her as an employee in my business. Where now artificial intelligence can do everything that she was doing for me, and it is free. But the best part about having AI become your personal assistant is it takes no days off. It can work 24/7 for you. It has no emotions. It just simply does the tasks that you put in front of it. And really, it executes on those tasks better than any human can, because it takes out all the human error and all the things that we lack in terms of getting fatigued, losing focus, and that stuff that's baked into our nature. Artificial intelligence does not have those human characteristics. So if you're someone that wants to learn more about how to use artificial intelligence in your business and how you can improve your life from using AI, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button, because I'm going along this journey personally right now. I'm going to be sharing everything that I'm learning and what's actually being useful for my business when using AI. So part number one of getting ChatGPT to become your own personal free assistant is you want to train it on your business so it understands everything that you're trying to do and the goals you're trying to achieve. Once you've baked that into its learning system, it's going to always refer back to that, making sure that it is in line with what your business is trying to do and achieve. This personally has held me more accountable than anything else. I know I've hired business coaches, I've hired coaches in my profession in real estate to support me and help me achieve my goals, with a lot of them ended up coming up short. Now I can use ChatGPT, my free assistant, to hold me accountable for those goals. And instead of having to pay a business coach $15,000 a year, I can do it there for all free. Are you someone that's wanting to improve your customer service? For me, in the real estate business, the name of the game is getting referrals. And the only way that you can really crack that egg open and actually use it is delivering on amazing customer service. But now in today's age, a lot of customer service expectations are almost impossible to meet with the demand and requirement that customers expect from us. You can automate all your communications through ChatGPT. So for me, a lot of times I used to get emails, texts, or just messages from clients, and I didn't know how to quite respond. And for me personally, I'm dyslexic, so I always had this nerve that I would have to reread things. I couldn't just reply rush. I would have to wait until I got home and I could take 15-20 minutes to really hone in and write a good accurate message to reply to this person, and sometimes I ended up forgetting. Where now I can get ChatGPT, I route the message to it, it writes me a draft, it goes to my email, and then all I have to do is approve it and add some stuff or take things out if I don't like it, and hit the send button, and it gets done instantly. Where if I'm getting messages while I'm out driving in the car or going to appointments, I route them to my ChatGPT, it writes me replies, and then it's instantly I can approve those messages, so my customer service experience is 1,000 times better. The biggest thing that I've found with my customers and clients is they want you to be speedy reply, which is not always possible when your business is actually successful and you're helping a whole bunch of other people achieve their real estate goals. The next, and this is where I saw the biggest improvement, is content generation. So I'm sure everyone who's been around, you've seen Gary Vee, you've seen Alex Hormozi, you've seen all these personal brands just absolutely blow up. And no matter what small business you're in, you need to have some sort of brand awareness. And for me, I always struggled immensely coming up with ideas. Take this YouTube video for instance. It used to take me 8 to 10 hours a week just researching, writing the script, coming up with everything in order just to film one YouTube video. I've now been getting ChatGPT to write all my content, make my content calendars, give me content ideas, and I'm able to execute on 52,000% more content. What is that going to lead to in terms of more business, more numbers directly for me? And the best part is because I've trained it on what my business goals are trying to be, it makes all my marketing channels directly in line with that. One thing that I also did was a secret hack is I trained it on the 7 human hijacks of marketing. So I've baked in the best marketing principles in order to convert leads or whatever product I'm trying to sell, or if I'm doing Facebook ads, and it makes the ads in line with that. I've read hundreds upon hundreds of marketing books, but a lot of times, and I've read 100 Million Offers from Alex Hormozi, and I've read every single book out there and watched all these videos, but I would tend to forget how to apply these principles when it came to my own marketing. Now I've trained my ChatGPT to do that, so all the content and marketing that I'm creating from it is directly streamlined to what's going to make my business more profitable because it applies those principles. This has to be the biggest breakthrough I've found in my own personal business of trying to increase my sales. And if you're someone that you want to learn how to train ChatGPT to understand your business and how to train it to understand these 7 human hijack marketing principles, but if you're someone in small business, I have an artificial intelligence course that teaches real estate agents exactly how to train ChatGPT on your business and how to apply the human hijacks that I've been talking about here so your marketing is spot on. The next thing is handling data entries. I absolutely despise putting data into it. It's something I put off all the time. Now with ChatGPT and the new GPT store, there's applications specifically made just to handle data entries, and you can just seamlessly upload all this content into ChatGPT so it's all set in one file. So now you've trained your business, you understand its marketing, and then you have all your data all in one spot. It'll make everything custom tailored to what you're trying to achieve based on what information you give it. And this part of artificial intelligence just blows my mind is the image generation that it can do and the creative design. I don't even want to know how much time I spent going through stock footage, going through on Google, searching different things, going on Canva to find the right ad creatives for my Facebook ads. I can simply just give it a little prompt, and in literally the snap of a finger, I have the image exactly what I want. And if it doesn't give me what I want, I prompt it and prompt it more accordingly. So this is where, for all the people that have run Facebook ads or done any social media marketing, they know the image, the ad creative is what actually gets people to click on it. So now having ChatGPT understand my business, it understands the human hijacks for marketing, and then I create all the images through it. I'm getting more leads at a cheaper cost, and I'm converting them faster because all this is baked in through artificial intelligence. Literally, it's like taking a pill for your business and you instantly increase your sales, cut down on your expenses, and you buy back your time. That is the biggest thing. This literally saves me 8 to 10 hours every single week on things that I just hated doing and bogged me down. Now I focus on what actually brings me more business. So my business is sales are even go up even higher now to go along with all the marketing principles that it is helping me with. So if you're someone that wants to learn more about artificial intelligence, I do have an AI course specifically for real estate agents that's going to transform your business. Just in that course alone, I show you the Facebook ad that's going to make me over $300,000 this year that I battle tested that works in any market or any market cycle that we're in. So even with high interest rates, this ad that I've designed is targeted for people who don't care about that. And they're always buying and selling homes each and every year. So if you're a real estate agent and you want to learn that, well, go visit the link down below and sign up for my artificial intelligence course. Can't wait to see you guys in there.